Hi everyone, this is Sheila with Paparazzi Accessories, and I'm consultant number 11637. I just wanted to do a quick video to show my team members, other consultants, how to create a group page on Facebook for your customers. Different people do different things, and so this is totally up to you and whatever you feel comfortable with doing. The reason for this is if you want to create a group page where your customers can join you, and it becomes a place where you can share online events, like when you're having online parties. Some people do the online parties from their actual group page. I personally don't prefer that. I have other preferences, but like using an event page. And I'll go over that quickly as well at the end of this video. But it's a great place to share with your customers, like when you get in new pieces, the fashion fix pieces when they come out each month, things like that. And as you meet new customers, you can add them with their permission to this group. I would definitely not automatically add people to this group page. I would send them individual messages telling them about your group page and giving them the option to join it, but don't just add people to your group. That's spammy, and I know I don't like it. When someone does that to me, that will make me quickly leave that group because it's just kind of disrespectful, I think. Anyway, on the left side of your Facebook screen, if you go down to where it says Groups, click there. This will list all of the groups that you are a part of, groups that you admin. At the top right, you're going to click on Create Group. Here you're going to create the name of your group. Let me cancel real quick. There's my group. Cancel. Paparazzified Party Peeps, $5 nickel and lead free jewelry. Just make it some name. It can be anything you want. Just give it some name that will mean something to you and to your customers. For example, let's just do Paparazzi $5 jewelry VIPs. How's that? If you want to go ahead and add some people here, you know, if you have some close friends or family that you do want to just go ahead and add right here, you type in their names. You want to make this group public. That way when people come to see your page and check it out, they can see what they're getting in for and make the decision if they do want to join or not. And then just click on Create. Oh, well, okay. Here, I have a second account. I'll add me. So I've added a friend, and then I'll hit Create. Okay, and then you can choose a cutesy little icon. Let's give a little glass of wine, and click OK. Okay, once you've created your group, it's going to guide you through here and give you the next steps. You see the check mark here, you've already added your icon. You want to upload a photo, a cover photo for the top of your page. One of our paparazzi cover photos that says something about $5 jewelry. You can make your own, whatever you want to choose, you put up there. And then this next item here, add a description. Here is where you can just add a simple description describing this is a group for my best customers. You can put anything in there. Click Save, and you'll see here it's gone through you up at 66%. The only thing left is adding my cover photo. We'll just pretend that I've done that. So I've finished creating my group page. I've added, you know, one member so far, which is just my other account. And now, you know, just pretend that I have a whole bunch of new customers added to this group page, and I've made some posts, maybe sharing next month's fashion fix, and I've decided to have a flash sale, an online event, or I have a customer who's decided to host an online party. I'm going to click on Events, and from this page I'm going to create an event. Now on the screen that comes up, because my group is public, my event is going to be public as well. See? So you're going to name your event, give it a description, you know, just paparazzi online party, give it a description. For where, I usually put something like right here on Facebook, or you could put from your living room, or right from your computer, or whatever. You know, choose your date you're going to have it, choose your time. Let's put a time in, and then it will give you a choice. You can put an end time or you can leave that blank. And then it tells you here, if you're creating a public event, you won't be able to change this to a private event later. So anyone on or off Facebook will be able to see this event, which is fine. You want people to see it. You're, you know, selling jewelry, so you want them to see it. Make sure you leave this box down here checked, because now it will automatically invite all of the members of your group to this event. Okay? There is your event. You can see here that there's only one person in my group right now, but it invited the one member of the group. And you can also go back in here. You are the host. You created this. You can go into edit and, you know, change your description, add an additional host if you have someone else that's helping to host it. What I also do here is I add my alternate account. I do have 2 accounts, even though Facebook says not to. But the reason I do have 2 accounts is because of Facebook. Because sometimes Facebook will put you in Facebook jail. If you are in the middle of posting pictures to an event page such as this, to have an online party, and Facebook gets mad at you for some reason and puts you in Facebook jail, what are you going to do? You're kind of screwed. What I do then is I always add my second account as a host to my online events, so that if that ever happens, and it has happened once, I think, what I did was I logged out, logged in under my alternate account, went to the party page, and was able to finish posting my pictures for the evening, and it worked great. So that's all for this video. Just wanted to share that with you real quick. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. Thanks, and happy partying!